Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Today we're looking at factorizing by grouping, and it says factorize each completed. So the first one is 12a to the third minus 9a squared plus 4a minus 3. So what we want to do for the first thing, we want to put them in pairs. So let's do that. Let's go. Alright, so what we're going to do now, for each bracket, we're going to take out the highest common factor. So we usually start with numbers. So we're going to inspect the numbers and we're going to ask ourselves what the highest number that can go into 12 and 9 without a remainder, and that is 3. Next, we have the letters. So we have a squared and a3. So what we're going to be doing now is to take out the highest common factor, which would be a squared. We cannot take out a3 because a3 cannot go into a squared. Next, we're going to divide 12a3 by 3a squared. Of course, 3 into 12, that goes 4 times. Next, we're going to see now, next, you're going to say a3 divided by a squared, which would be a. And next now we can say 3a squared into 9a squared. Of course, 3 into 9 goes 3 times. A squared would cancel itself. So we are left with 4a minus 3. Alright, so here we have 4a minus 3. So we can see that nothing is common except for 1, because 1 is a factor of all numbers. So 1 can go into all numbers. So put our plus, put back our 1, and then we say 1 into 4a, which goes 4a times 1 into anything, give you the anything. 1 into negative 3 gives us negative 3. Now if you look closely, you see that we have this common to both brackets. So what we do, we're going to pull out the 4a minus 3 because that is common. So it's going to be 4a minus 3. And then we put, for the second bracket, we're going to put what is outside, which is 3a squared plus 1. And there we have it. We have complete and got the full marks for this question. So it's 3a squared plus 1. And that would be our answer. Alright, we're going to move on to number 2. Let's go. Alright, so guys, you're encouraged to try the question before me, so I'm going to give you guys a head start. Go ahead, see if you can complete it correctly. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Alright, let's go. So again, we're going to put them in pairs. So we have 2p to the third plus 5p squared plus 6p plus p. Again, we're going to take out the highest common factor. So what is the highest number that can go into 2 and 5 without leaving a remainder? That would be 1. We don't necessarily have to put the 1, but I'm just going to put it today. Now we have p squared and p cubed. So that would be p squared. We're going to take out p squared. And we're going to divide p into this. 1 into 2 goes 2 times p squared, p cubed divided by, we're going to leave p again. Of course, plus p squared would cancel out, so that would leave 5. Work our plus, and we're going to check the second bracket. So ask yourself, what's the highest number that can go into 6 and 15 without leaving a remainder? Alright, and that would be 3. P is not common to both, it's only in one, so we don't need to put the P because there's no P here at the 15, so we're just gonna put the P3 alone, and then we divide 3 into 6, that goes 2 times, and we put what the P, 3 into 15, that goes 5 times. Again, you can know that we're on the right part because you get the same thing in the both bracket. So we're going to pull out this 2p plus 5. That is common, and then we put back it outside, which is this right here, the 1p squared plus 3. You don't necessarily put the 1, but I'm going to put it. Some students like it, so I'll just put it for them. And that would be our answer. Very nice question. Let's move on to number 3. Alright, so let's look at number 3. Same procedure. Guys, and remember, you guys are encouraged to try the question before me. Alright, let's go, let's go. Type in the comment section how many you got correct. Type in the comment section where you're from and how many you got, alright? And if you had known it before. Alright, so again, we inspect the numbers. We have 3 and 4, so we know that that's 1. So take out the 1 and then n squared because that's the highest power that can go into both. Next, we're going to divide 3n cubed by n squared. Again, we established that will leave 3n. The n squared would cancel out this, so this would leave minus 4. Work our plus. Alright, what's the highest number that can go into 9 and 12? That would be 3. Notice I don't take out the n because 3 is not common with the 12, only with the n. Common mean in both. And then we divide 3 into 3. 3 into 9 goes 3 times, and we put back our p. And then 3 into 2, that goes. Hello? You. Oh, alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, respect. Alright. So, we can see that 3n minus 4 is common. So we can take out that. And then we have 1n squared. I'm just going to put n squared plus 3. So there we have it. That would be our answer. Very nice question. Please practice. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Share with a friend. Alright, don't be selfish, guys. Let's go. Alright, let's look at number 4. Number 4 says 12n cubed plus 4n squared plus 3n plus 1. I would have gone through these on TikTok, and I promised that I would post it on my YouTube. So, yeah. Pick up, guys. If you're not following me on TikTok, I go live at times. Same name, Linux Spirit. Alright, if you want to be a part of my class, my number is 876-549-2161. Alright, so let's take out the highest common factor. So we check the numbers. What's the highest number that can go into 12 and 4? That would be 4 itself, because 4 can go into 12. N cubed and n squared. I'm going a little bit faster now because I know that you guys understood what it's supposed to be done. Alright, so 4 into 12 goes 3 times, and of course n cubed divided by n squared would give us n, and any number into itself would give us 1. So 4 square into 4n squared, that's 1. Work our plus. What is common? 1. Alright, once you realize that nothing else is common, 1 is common. Then you divide 1 into this, which would be that. Of course, this is common to both. We established that. So it will be 3n. If you're just joining, ensure say watch the video from number 1. Alright? Went a little bit slower. So this will be 3n, and then we'll put what is outside, which is this. So that's 4n squared plus 1. Here we have it. Very easy. We have completed it. Let's move on to number 5. Thank you guys for watching. Ensure you like the video now, guys. Alright, so number 5, so that's m cubed minus m squared plus 2m minus 2. Again, we put them in pairs. Guys, not all the time they're gonna, sometimes you have to rearrange them. So bear that in mind, alright? You try it and it don't work, you just rearrange it. Maths is very easy. Alright, so we can see that m squared would be, we have established that earlier. You can't use m3 because m3 cannot go into m squared. Alright, and this would leave m squared divided by m squared would leave 1. And of course, we check this bracket now. What's the highest number that can go into both of them without a remainder? And that would be 2. M is not common to this one, so only pull out the 2. And then we divide 2 into 2. M would leave m. 2 into itself leave 1. Of course, we take out the m minus 1 because that is common to both. And then we take what's outside, which is m squared plus 2. So it's m squared plus 2. If you have not liked the video, guys, you need to do so. Alright, if you're just joining, you need to go back from 1 so you can get enough practice. Of course, we're at number 6. Hit the like button for number 6, guys. Alright. So this one says 5n cubed minus 10n squared plus 3n minus 6. Of course, we're going to bracket off in pairs. Next, we take out the highest common factor. We go to the numbers first. What's the highest number that can go into 5 and 10? Of course, that would be 5. We have n squared and n3, so we take out the n squared. Notice we take out the lower one at all times, basically. Even though that means it's the highest number, alright? Can go into it. So 5 into this goes 1 time, n3 divided by n squared would be n. And of course, 5 into 10 goes 2 times, n squared would cancel n squared. Here we are doing something. We now have the plus. So we put back our plus. We'll take out the highest common factor, which would be, what's the highest number that can go into 3 and 6? Somebody put that in the comment section or leave it in the comment. Alright, that would be 3. And then we divide 3n by 3, which would be n. Negative 6 divided by 3 would be 2. So here we have it. We have n minus 2. And we have what's outside the bracket, which is the 5n squared and the plus 3. This is where most students always ask, sir, how you get that in the bracket? It's what's outside. Alright? Practice makes perfect, guys. Alright? You have my number. You need to join the class. Just do what you have to do. Alright? Alright, let's move on to number 7. Alright, guys, so we're at number 7. Let's go. So again, we bracket off the x, bracket them off in pairs. Alright, remember, guys, I like a trial and error we had. Alright, so we took out the highest common factor, the highest number can go into highest number that can go into 5 and 35 would be 5 itself. This one is a little bit different, guys. You would have noticed that if you are trying them, right? we have x common here and x common here. So we also have to pull out the x. And then we say 5 into 35, that would give us 7. X cancel x, but we leave back with the y. And of course, 5 into this, 5x into this would leave 1. Back our minus, we have 56 and 8. What's the highest number that can go into 56 and 8? Of course, that would be 8 itself. Don't take out the y because y is only common here. It's not common to this one. Y is only in this rather. 8 into that leaves 7y. Remember, this is a minus 8. So positive 8 divided by a negative 8 will give us minus 1. Once you see you get this for both brackets, guys, you're on your way to get the full mark. So you just write back 7y minus 1, that is common to both. And then what is outside, which is the 5x minus 8. And that would be our answer. You get the full marks for that one. Alright, let's move on to number 8. Oh, this one has some big numbers. Nevertheless, it can be done. Alright, so we have 224az plus 56ac minus 84yz minus 21yz. Alright, so put them in brackets. That's the first move. Alright, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try 56 can go into 224 without a remainder. Alright, so let's see, it ended up 4, so that means the 6 fours. Alright, so 4, 6, 24, 2 carry 4, 4, 5, 20 plus 2. Yeah, so 56 is common. So you just double check. Alright, A is common to this. No other letter is common, so we take out 56A. Alright, as I said, this into this goes 4 times. A would cancel A, so we leave with the Z. Of course, 56 into itself 1 times, and A would cancel A, so that leaves C. Put our minus again. Alright, so you have 21 and 84, 21, 4 ones 4, 4 twos 8. Alright, so 21 can go into this 4 times, so we take out 21. But guess what? Y is common, so we take out the Y. And of course, negative 84 divided by this would give us 4z. As the y would cancel the y, and 21 into itself 1 time, the y cancel the 1, so we get the plus c. Once I see you get this, guys, for both of them, you know you're on your way. So 4z, take out the 4z plus the c. We want it look like 42, you know. And then we take out what is outside, which is the 56a minus 21y. So even though the numbers were big, you guys should be able to get that. Did anyone get that? Type that in the comment section. Alright, let's move on to number 9. Hit the like button if you're not done so. Ensure you watch the playback if you're just joining, alright? So we're at number 9, guys. We might stop at number 10 for this one. But ensure that you follow me on YouTube, TikTok for more videos, alright? And you can have access to my live classes. If you want to be a part of my class, just number to text is 876-549-2161. And we can get started. Alright, so let's go. We're gonna bracket them off again. That's the first step. And then we're gonna take out the highest common factor. So we have m common. Alright, so we take out our m, there's nothing else common. M into mz would leave z because m would cancel m. This would leave 5h squared. Only the m is gonna cancel. Back our negative, And here we have negative, well, 5 and 25. So 5 is common. Let's check if any letter is also common. N is common to both. So take out our N. And of course, we divide now. Negative 5nz divided by negative 5n. We leave the z. No, this is not a plus because we're going to be dividing by negative 5. Alright, so I'll catch up fast. Alright, so 25 nh squared is going to be divided by negative. So positive divided by a negative would give us negative 5 into 25 would give us 5. And we cancel the n, so we have the 8 squared. Same thing that we got in the other bracket we got here. So you know, so we're up on the right part. Who got this one correct? Hope everybody has stayed safe. Hope everybody like the video so far. And then you put what outside. Guys, if you know I like it, it's fine. And everybody will appreciate it. I just say it. And then no square. Alright. So there we have it. And this will be the last one. Should I leave this one and you guys put it in the comment section? Not sure what the hell is coming on my computer. Don't do this for me. Alright guys, so my computer giving a little trouble. So what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to do this one and leave it in the comment section. It's the final one. Leave it in the comment section. Let me see what you guys get. Factorize 12xy minus 28x minus 15y plus 35. Leave what you guys get in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Igcse, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video. See if you guys can do this one in the comment section. So I'm using my computer. Alright guys, leave that in the comment section. And remember my number is 876-549-2161. I'm out.